case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1990, the Supreme Court of New Jersey heard the case of Holmdel Builders Assen v. Township of Holmdel, which centered on the question of whether towns could require developers to pay fees for the construction of affordable housing. The court ultimately determined that such fees were permissible if they complied with certain regulations and did not unduly burden the developers. At the heart of the case was the issue of whether charging developers a fee for building affordable housing as a condition for receiving approval was a legally authorized practice or whether it should be considered an unauthorized tax. The court held that municipalities had a constitutional obligation to ensure a fair opportunity for the development of low and moderate income housing. In response to this obligation, various methods and devices were created to help fulfill these fair share requirements. The court upheld the constitutionality of the Fair Housing Act, which laid out potential measures for compliance, such as lower income density bonuses and mandatory set-asides. Additionally, the court found that a voluntary provision allowing developers to pay a reasonable fee into an affordable housing trust fund in exchange for a density bonus was valid. Despite this, the court ruled that the plaintiff in the case lacked standing to claim a refund for fees paid by its members to Chester Township. The development fee ordinances were found to be invalid due to the absence of necessary administrative regulations. Nonetheless, the court upheld both voluntary in lieu fees with a density bonus and mandatory development fees as legitimate zoning measures, provided they received the approval of the Council on Affordable Housing, COH.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.